If you make espresso, you know how frustrating it is to not have a knockbox for your portafilter. Whenever this fills up with coffee, grounds to get rid of, we've been slamming it on the inside of our sink drain, which is just a terrible experience all around. Half the time it's a loud clang or it doesn't work, and I really wanted a great knockbox, something that would blend in, not really stand out, and definitely get the job done. So I am thrilled that I was gifted this knockbox, as it gives me everything I want. It's a great size. This will definitely last us a week or two. I probably will empty it before then, as you don't want the grounds to sit in it too long. This piece right here, which is what you knock the portafilter against, has a rubber exterior and a metal interior. So it's super, super sturdy. And then the rest of it is just a hard plastic shell. So easy to rinse out and clean when you're ready. And the rest of the time, it's perfect for that quick empty without any issue. Works beautifully every time I've used it. And while I asked for this gifted product specifically because I wanted this knockbox, and this is really what I'm most excited about, it also came with one additional piece, which you might really appreciate. And that's this tamping pad. If you find that you're always collecting a lot of coffee grinds on the counter or don't have somewhere for your tamper to sit, you can actually set this on the counter over the edge. And then when you tamp, you can actually tamp right over the floor, tamp right here, and then put the tamper in it like that. So it keeps it really nice and clean, very organized, if that fits best for your space, if you don't have somewhere else for your tamper. Now, our espresso machine comes with a tamper location, but that's not always the case. So this is a simple yet lovely addition if it adds more value for you. For me, it is all about this knockbox. This is exactly what I was looking for. There are such a range of different knockboxes, but so many of them are either too overwrought or too big, or they just look too weak, too cheap. This definitely is that happy medium. Yes, it's plastic, but the metal and the rubber and the size of it is really that sweet spot in what I want. And I love that it's black and that it just really blends in beautifully with my setup. Really clean. I definitely recommend this Knoxbox set, and I think you'll really love it as well.